Alert. San Diego County is dealing with a huge spike in flu cases. The health department says more than 3,300 new cases were reported just last week. 34 people, one of them a baby, died, bringing that total to 45. And with so many cases of the flu in San Diego right now, people have plenty of questions. So we went to the county's deputy public health officer to get some answers. Searching for information about the flu. It's what a lot of people are doing right now. Over at the San Diego County Health Department, Dr. Sayanthi Halalipavan tried to help us make sense of some things you might have come across. A big one is, how effective is this year's vaccine? You may have seen the number 10%, but the doctor says that's not quite accurate.
Is really reflective of what the vaccine effectiveness was for Australia, where there was primarily one strain. Here, we have all four strains, and the vaccine covers against all four strains.
Why can't the vaccine be changed mid-season to be more effective? The short answer is it takes months to create and is done far in advance.
So the scientists and the manufacturers working with the CDC, they have to, as best, make an evidence-based decision on kind of how to produce their vaccines and which strains to cover.
Which strain is hitting people the hardest?
The strain we're always most worried about is the influenza A H3N2 strain, and that's the one that CDC says commonly that is most associated with higher, worse outcomes, which is higher rates of hospitalizations and deaths, unfortunately.
And here in San Diego, we've heard about sick people having a hard time getting antiviral drugs like Tamiflu. Is there a shortage?
We've just gotten way too much flu activity too soon, and we weren't prepared or stocked enough. And so thankfully everyone is just ordering more, and it's kind of a temporary issue, if nothing.
Now, they are still encouraging people to get the flu shot. It does take about 2 weeks for your body to develop an immunity. You can call 211 to find locations. And a local retirement community is taking extra precautions to make sure the elderly people who live there don't get hit with the flu. Our 10 News reporter Travis Rice is in Carlsbad, and Travis, they are taking no chances.
They are certainly not here at La Costa Glen. They've even stopped serving their buffet meals to